Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use ZonePlus in Roblox. This module helps you define specific interactive areas, or zones, within your game world. You can easily detect when players or other parts enter or leave these zones, enabling sophisticated gameplay mechanics. It removes the need for complex manual boundary checks, making your development process much smoother and more efficient. To begin using ZonePlus, you first need to add it to your Roblox Studio project. The most straightforward method involves opening the toolbox, searching for ZonePlus Official, and then inserting the module directly into your replicated storage or server storage. This takes just a few clicks. For advanced users, you can also download the module from its dedicated GitHub page, placing it wherever suits your game's structure best. Once ZonePlus is installed, creating your first zone is quite simple. Start by placing a part in your workspace to visually represent the area you want to define. Next, use the zone. From Part Constructor, passing your created part as an argument to transform it into an active zone object. You can then connect functions to the player entered and player exited events, executing custom code when a player steps into or leaves your designated area. ZonePlus offers advanced features for more intricate game design. You can assign custom data to each zone, for instance, defining a healing amount of 25 or a damage type within its properties. It's also possible to merge several individual parts into one cohesive zone, creating highly specific and non-rectangular areas. Furthermore, you are not limited to just detecting players. You can monitor any base part entering or exiting, opening up a wide array of possibilities for interactive objects and environmental effects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.